drone tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Kazakhstan by eSim, sorry. And the link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click on link eSim and open Kazakhstan page. Right, open this page and choose data type or fixed data. I recommend unlimited data, and choose a speed plane, light or plus. I recommend plus, and select days. I select 30 days and click on buy it now. The service number 1 for eSim, and click on this discount code and write euro tips and click on apply. Order discount this dollars and it's very good price, and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write email, write payment and write billing address and click on buy now and buy a SIM and send your email, eSIM QR code and instruction activation. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.